Hello, in this video we will be checking out my dad's wood gas car. This V8 Chevy doesn't need a gas station, it needs only wood as a fuel. In the gasifier behind the cabin, the wood is transformed into a flammable gas made of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The gas is then cooled, filtered and fed to the engine through a mixer that mixes the right amount of air and wood gas for a perfect combustion. The car has already been driven more than 100,000 kilometers without a drop of gasoline. We are taking the car to a 1 mile speed event this summer, and that is planned to be its own video. But for now, let me show you the car and let's go for a ride. The car is a 1983 Chevrolet Fleetside. Before the ride, I'm going to show you how to start the car. The gasifier needs to be filled and ignited. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes in real time. The gasifier is on the right and the filter is on the left. In the middle there is a torch. Before filling up the gasifier, the cavity in the wood chip tank left from previous use is collapsed. This makes sure that the fire has fuel available right away. When starting off, the gasifier is filled with wood chips. The car is very environmentally friendly and the carbon footprint caused by the entire life cycle of the fuel is very small. Newspaper is used as a fire starter. When the paper is lit, an electric fan is used to suck the flame into the gasifier, catching the charcoal and wood on fire inside. The electric blower is getting the fire going as the turned off engine can't pull the gas in yet. After a little while on the blower, the gas is checked if it's good quality and flammable. The interior of the car looks pretty standard. A few additional gauges and a few buttons have been added to the cockpit. The engine is a 1972 350 cubic inch truck motor with a compression ratio of 11:1. The camshaft has been changed to be more suitable for the wood gas use, and the intake manifold is a 1986 Corvette TPI intake manifold. There is a cooler in the front where the wood gas is cooled for the better filling of the cylinders. The wood gas is lit on fire on the torch tube. This is where the quality of the gas is observed before directing the gas to an engine, and when the engine is running, it will pull the gas in itself. When the system has filled with wood gas, the engine can be started, which usually starts easily. There is no starting gasoline in the car, only wood gas. The car is easy to drive and it moves nicely with other traffic. When driving, the wood consumption is about 35 to 40 kilograms to 100 kilometers or 81 pounds to 60 miles. In the powertrain, the final drive is 3.42 to 1 and the gearbox is DH700 overdrive. The long intake manifold offers good torque at 2000 rpm. Which makes climbing large hills easier. Adding wood every 70 kilometers or 43 miles is needed. The job is easy to do. You stop the car on the side of the road, add wood chips, close the lid and go. Making the wood chips is hard work and it's good to have machines for that. That was the quick introductory video of the car. Hope you liked the video. If so, consider leaving a comment or a like and sharing the video. That motivates us to enter and document the 1 mile speed event this summer. We will test the top speed or maybe even set a new record. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.